Here in Utah right now at Rockport Reservoir. It's about 7 degrees, cold morning. Good conditions for ice fishing. Got an invite to go out here and do some ice fishing. Don't know a lot about ice fishing. Haven't done a whole lot of it. Thought I'd give it a try and see if we can get. We're trying to get yellow perch today. See how this goes. Oh, you see it? Well, that was a struggle. That was about a 15, 16-inch rainbow trout. Fell back in the hole. Guess it happens. Not very good at ice fishing. Need to practice a little bit. Oops.